Greetings one and all, how's everyone doing? I hope very well. So, last time I was out here, I took this road, saw some pretty amazing views. I'm back out of here again, and now I'm going to be going up this way, because basically I want to know what's up there, and curiosity. So the plan is to drive around and do some exploring again, because I kind of dig that sort of thing, and depending how it goes, I'm going to string up my hammock somewhere and just spend a night. That is still up for a maybe. I don't know what's going to happen with that. There could be no spots. I did see some open spots, so it might be a definite possibility. But for right now, I just want to know what's up this road. There could be something cool, could be some nice views, some great spots, and yeah, I just want to know what's up there. So, I mean, I could just run to a dead end and I'll turn around and go back, but there's still another road down here, down into the valley that goes up higher. So there's still a lot more to see and more places to go for now. Alrighty, so I have come up to, well, I've actually passed several turnoffs, but as you can see, this way goes up, and it's pretty steep. This way goes down, and this is the way I came. Now I'm noticing that it's narrowing down like it was last time I was out here. So basically what I think I'm just doing is, at this point, is kind of snaking around. I mean, that's pretty much, the top of the top right there. So I'm kind of just snaking around up here on the roads. But now I'm coming to a decision. It's like, do I want to keep going or try another road? See, it's one of those areas where it's like I would feel better, my comfort level would be higher if a buddy was following me up here, or I had a co-pilot, someone with me. But when you're solo, it's like, mainly it's like if I get stuck or I get in trouble or mechanical failure, it's a long walk down. So that's sort of where I am. Not that I don't dig being out here, but it's like, when you're out here and you're kind of solo at it, it's like, like do I risk pushing on? Pretty nice views though. I haven't seen a single other vehicle either, so. Although I heard gunshots that way, and I did see some signs posted about elk hunting, so. And I have seen elk in the lower areas, so I think it might be elk season right now. So I don't want to disturb the hunters either, because that's not cool. So I think I'm going to do is I'm going to do a U-ey and then go back down the main road and go up a little bit and then see what's up the other way. So I think that's what I'm going to do now at this point. So maybe someone will tag along next time and maybe we'll go a little farther. We'll see how it goes. I mean, it's not like I have to do it all in one day either. I did see some open spots down below, so staying the night is probably going to be a sure thing. So I guess I'll get turned around here and then head back down. Had to stop and get another shot of amazing view of Mount Rainier. Pretty incredible. Never get tired of seeing it. A little hard to see the view screen, but really hard to see the view screen actually. Camera really doesn't do it justice, but this is sort of my view right now. That's the drop off. Yeah, it's pretty steep. I basically came up this road and circled around just down over there. That's the valley. Down there, I don't know if you can see it, but there's a little clearing down there. I think I can point it on the view screen. That's you can probably hear the shots. That's a kind of a open shooting range. You're popping off shots. I'm only a couple miles up too. It's steeper than it seemed when I was driving up, so. Pretty nice though. So you do a 360. I gotta be careful, I'm standing right on the edge. That's where I just came down from. That's what I meant by standing right on the edge. I just, you know, one slip and you're going down. Probably not much to catch yourself on either. Whew. That would hurt. That would hurt a lot. Alright, so basically what I did is I drove all the way back down to the main road. Drove all the way in. Kept going until the pavement ended. Bombed up the hill, just staying on the main service road, which is where I still am, which is where I am right now. And I've come to another sort of impasse. I did pass several turnoffs, but I decided to avoid them. So, looks like this goes up 0.2 miles to not Chester. I think that's what it is. But a mile this way, there's a horse camp, it says. Meadows Horse Camp, I think. I think I want to go check that out. I think that'll be where my turnaround point is. Then I'm going to head back down and lay my claim to a campsite and get my hammock up. I think that's the plan. So I'm going to go check out the horse camp, and that'll be my turnaround. Well, I made it up here. As soon as I got back on the road, it was pretty rocky, really bumpy, but I think I made it up here. I wish I'd brought my tent. It'd be a great tent camping spot. Right over there. And it looks like it just kind of circles around and goes back down, so. Not really seeing anywhere to hang a hammock. Nice breeze though. A lot of people. I don't see any. I think there's a trail right over here too, so. That explains I said some pretty serious 4x4s. I guess it explains why. The truck made it fine. It's kind of a trooper, so. I think I'm gonna drive back down and find a camp spot before they're all snagged up. Hola, ¿cómo está? How's everyone doing? I hope well. Just kind of hanging out at one of those free campsites. I honestly don't know if I'm going to stay or not. Mainly because online I read that we have burn bans, so I can't have a fire, even though in town Smokey the Bear says that fire dangers are moderate, and the fire station said it was in the yellow, so that's a little I'm not sure if it's a ban on or it's just moderate. So basically you have to keep your fire small, can't be outside the ring, which I wouldn't do anyway. Well, I have on rare occasions, but I was watching it the whole time. So, plus the site I wanted was Carbs, because I just drove right by it when it was empty. You know, I didn't want to leave my stuff there to be picked up and carried off. Excuse me. So, I may just do dinner and then head home. I have finished editing video from 2 weeks ago. I haven't finished yet. So, I don't know, kind of debating. I should at least do dinner. Dinner would be good. Eating out here in the great outdoors. Letting the truck rest, cool down. It was quite the trooper today. I went some pretty hairy Forest Service roads that really bumpy, rocky, getting bounced around. I heard something hit the metal, so I'm hoping a rock was kicked up and just hit the underside. I was like, ugh. And I think I got the brakes a little too hot coming down the last hill. So, like, I pulled over immediately when I smelt burning, and then I checked under the hood, didn't see any smoke anywhere, so gave it a couple minutes, and I just went back down the hill, basically in second gear, and just kept it slow, about 15 miles an hour. Braked only when I needed to. Because I was riding the brakes pretty hard coming down the hill, so, but it was steep, so I had to. But I was also in third gear, and I wasn't coming down slow. I was probably coming down too fast, so that was my bad. I was just trying to get down. So I'm really just debating what to do at this point. I'm probably just gonna have dinner and head home. It feels like a plan. My parents are coming over to my condo tomorrow, so even if I stay tonight, I gotta bail out of here right away in the morning. Like, basically get up, make a cup of coffee, boil some water for some hot vittles, eat, pack the truck, and go. And then get home and shower for the arrival. So I don't know. We'll see. Most likely I'd head home. It feels right just to go. I mean, it's been a good day. I did a lot of driving around. I didn't film a lot of it just because, you know, I didn't have my little Ultra Pod, so I couldn't set it on the dash while I was driving. I might have left it by the computer. I think I did, because when I was loading the film, I think I unscrewed it and set it down. So, oops. It's not like it's not like it was sorely missed anyway. But I was thinking about one of those GoPro mounts on the on the truck somewhere. I think those would be really cool. But then I have to go get a GoPro. Not that they're a bad camera, but I'd have to get that plus the mounts and everything else. So that's just, you know, more money unless I get one of those knockoff GoPros. But the GoPro footage would look cool. I'd have to figure out a way to mount it, but it would look pretty sweet. Especially when you're driving around like that. It would look cool. So, and I do like those kind of shots. So, especially if you can get like sort of a I don't know if they make them, but it'd be cool to have like a remote camera. You just mount on the hood and start driving. You turn it on and hit record, and just let it run for a minute and then hit stop. That'd be neat. Alright, well, it's still a little early for dinner, but I think I'm just going to relax and let the truck cool down and do dinner and bail. So, yeah. Good times. Wow, I've been blabbing for 5 minutes.